Important currency of different countries. 1. Australia dollar, India rupee, Bangladesh taka, Bhutan Ngultram, China yuan, Egypt pound, Germany euro, Indonesia rupiah, Japan yen, Kuwait Kuwaiti dinar, Korea won, Malaysia ringgit, Myanmar kyat, Nepal rupee, New Zealand dollar, Philippines peso, Pakistan rupee, Russia ruble, Saudi Arabia rial, South Africa rand, Sri Lanka rupee, United Kingdom pound sterling, USA dollar.